Today I'm going to show you how to use the Shark VacMop. I'll show you the different functions and features and what kind of makes this machine special. So first of all, on the bottom here, you do have removable pads that you can put on it. So that's what these are right here. And I want you to take note right now, it's got this little canister right here. I'm going to show you how that works here. So you want to flip it over to where the white pad is facing down. And then on the bottom of it here, you just want to line it up over these two plastic notches here. On your pad here, you have two little slots here as well. So just kind of line it up and then you'll press it on. It does click and latch on. And then to remove it, you just push this little button here on the side and that'll release it and then you can take it off. So when you're done, these are disposable. So just keep that in mind. So you go ahead and put on your new pad here. Once everything's in place, you do have a little canister here on the back of it to fill it up. So it is a wet mop as well, so it can vacuum and wet mop. So you just pop open the lid here. And then with it, you'll get a trial size bottle of this, which is the Shark VacMop cleaner. You're just gonna pop open the lid here on the top back of the machine here, and then you can just pour it in till you fill it up. Mine's already got some in it here, so I'm just gonna top it off. And I will just say this stuff smells really good, so it's got a nice fresh scent to it. Go ahead and close the lid here. And then on the handle, you've got the pull trigger, which is going to turn on the vacuum, and then you got the button here that you push, and it'll spray your cleaning solution out of this nozzle right here, so that'll spray onto the ground. So one thing of note is that if you're vacuuming and you're doing like dog hair and stuff like that, I always like to use it as a dry vacuum first, because once you get everything wet, it just starts sticking to the floor and it doesn't pick up that great. So start with the dry vacuum. So again, we're going to pull the trigger here. It'll turn on as a vacuum, and it actually does a really good job vacuuming up here. You get along edges. Sometimes better for edges if you go straight towards it as opposed to up on the side, because the extraction or the vacuum portion of it is kind of right here in the center. All right. Now before I show you the mop function here, we can go ahead and take off the pad, and you can look in here, and that's where everything gets sucked in into the canister there. So it has kind of like a little compartment here that it traps all that hair, dirt, dust, and whatever you vacuumed up in it. You can also put the pads on if you line it up, press straight down on it, that'll lock it in. So now on the handle here, if we press this button right here on the top, press and hold that, your water, or excuse me, your cleaning solution is going to spray out of the front of it. You see there, it sprays out, and now you can use it as a wet mop. I kind of overdid it on the spray there, but you get the point there. So you can use it as a wet mop. You can spray as much of that cleaning solution as you need and then just mop away. Now you'll notice that the blue light does come on, and that does help you see hair, dirt, dust, and debris that you can't really see otherwise. So it does a little good job of, they call it the reveal feature, and it does a good job of highlighting dirt, dust, and debris. And that's it. That's how you use the Shark VacMop. Really simple, super easy to use. One last feature here to charge it. It does come with a charging block, so you just pop that open on the back, charge it up, and you are good to go. I like this. It's kind of a good one to have on hand. You put it in the coat closet or just somewhere kind of in the main living area. Just grab it out when you need to vacuum up something really quick. So it's super easy to use and very convenient. Again, it's the Shark VacMop. I did link it in this video if you want to check it out.